These crispy tuna rice bites are having a moment, but I'm not going to Nobu and I'm not gonna pay top dollar for them, so let's recreate them at home. Nobu is apparently one of the most recognizable Japanese restaurants in the world. It's Japanese cuisine made with Peruvian ingredients, per the website. I don't really know. I wanna say they're about $30 on the menu. Regardless, it's gonna be a lot more expensive than if you make it in your own kitchen, and you're gonna get a lot less. We're gonna start with the crispy sushi rice base. You're gonna wanna use short grain sushi rice for this because it has that extra starch that'll help hold your little bites together. Just press your sushi rice into a square and then we're gonna refrigerate this for a couple hours to keep the shape. Nice and chilled and solid. This looks so sticky and perfect. And it cuts and stays together so perfectly. Just gonna heat up a little bit of oil to give my rice a shallow pan fry.
Are you Captain America?
These turned out crispy and golden and gorgeous. Now we'll make the tuna topping. We've got a pound of sushi grade tuna here. I'm just going to chop this really finely, almost mincing it. If you've ever had a spicy tuna roll, this is basically the filling that you'd have inside of it. If I had Kewpie mayo, I'd use that, but instead I'm just gonna use regular mayo. About 3 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons sriracha, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, and 1 to 2 teaspoons lime juice. Mix this all up, and this is our delicious spicy tuna topping. Time to build our Nobu bites. Add a nice, lovely avocado, our spicy tuna mixture. Oh, that is piled high. Now we'll add some sriracha mayo, some pretty little jalapeno slivers, and finally, some sesame seeds. Cute as heck. This is more effort than I've ever put into an appetizer, but doesn't it look good? So many layers of texture. The colors, this is gonna be good. Mmm. The crispy rice is crunchy on the outside, but so soft in the middle. This is the ultimate appetizer. Now I see why it's $36, but you can make it at home. Try it out for yourself, and when you do, please tag me. I wanna see. See y'all next week.
I see why they're $30 now.
Oh my God.
This.